Another day. This guy right here has the power bank assembly exploded. Yeah, one of the capacitors. Kaboom! And to do that, you open the door, put strap, hook it to your car and pull. I'll show you how. Okay, first thing first, what you need to do, you need to suit up for high voltage. Really, this could arc when you disconnect or reconnect. Let me suit up, overall, helmet and the gloves, and go and shut the power down and apply lock and tag. I think I just saw those in my van. I was like, let me just put them on. I don't know why they are here, but I think they are for the power, so you could be safe. Yeah. Hey, don't laugh at my refrigerator. It's Texas. Only thing we need over here is water. Yes, sir. All right. All right. We shut it down both. Now we were gonna wait until this to drain, because it stores some power. Both systems. We're not gonna work on system 2. We're gonna work just on system 1. And when you open this, you check if there is power. You drain it. If it's not, that's good. You continue to work. Just disconnect the wires and stuff. I'll show you how. Okay, so when you open this, this is the power bank assemblies. This guy needs to be replaced. What you're gonna do, you're gonna remove that plastic piece for nuts. They're not really that tight, but it's tight enough that you can't really loose with your finger. One missing. Okay. Those gloves are gonna make it really hard. The leather one. Okay. Remove that panel. What you're gonna test is you lick this and you lick. No man, you're gonna test that right there and that with DC voltage and see if there is power. You will bring your multimeter, go voltage, go to DC, even if you flip the polarity, it doesn't matter. You have to read voltage. Even it's gonna give you minus some voltage or positive, which is the right polarity that you put. So you put one here and one there, and you really see like 96. It's going down. Why? Because of those drain, oh my god, the bleed resistors. They call them bleed resistors. That and that, those white ones, they're bleed resistors. Sometimes those goes bad, it won't bleed. So you will have a bleeder that you connect. Same thing, this right there, because if you look from the bottom, it stops right here. This line stops, it goes all the way and stops right here. They are not connected. This one, it goes to the back. It goes to the back right there and it stops right there. So you check, you keep checking, or you just leave that there. If you have alligator clips, I do have, but if you just leave it there touching, you see that the voltage is dropping, which is good. And when you finish, double check that one, because you're going to be in this area. You don't want no voltage to be near you, unless you want. It's up to you. If you like electric, I don't. Yeah, 59. Okay, what the hell? So how are we going to do that now? So I think, look like those wires needs to be removed. those wires needs to be removed. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 5, 6. And I think, let's look. There's 2 plugs in each board. IGBTs right there. That's a gate driver. 1, 2, 3. So you have 2, 4, 6 plugs. Okay. Let's see. I think there's a ground over here. That ground needs to be removed from there. Don't remove it from here, because the new one, I think it has one. We'll find out. I think it has one. So you remove it from there. And there's the isolation board back there. See the P4? It's behind it. There's a board behind it. See that plug in the top? There's another plug at the bottom. It's behind that brown wire. It's behind it. There's 2 plugs. You unplug those also. And another thing. See the capacitor leaked in the back. If the camera could focus. Yeah, we'll show you when we're eating. Then plus the cooling going to that VSD, the very sexy drive, right? VSD is a very sexy drive. There is cooling lines. See those hoses? You need to disconnect those, and we're gonna show you everything. All right, let's wait this to go down to 0. You remove the first panel to the right of the unit when you face it, because you know the drives are sitting over here. Duh. Okay. Here we go. So here's the first panel. You go back, and this is the drive, the very sexy, the VSD, the very sexy drive right here. We need to take that off, and that off. This right here. And you know, when you take the hoses, it's gonna drain the glycol. There's glycol going inside to cool down the very sexy drive. I wish if there's something that holds those hoses, man. Oh, what is that? Wait a minute, what is this? Wow, is it for? I think it is. Let's see. Is it? Oh wow, look at that, man. Very helpful. Thank you, whoever gave me that. Thank you for listening to my wish. Let's see. Let's see. Wow, really? That's it? Oh wow, I like that, man. Oh, now I can take the clamps, drop it. It will drain some of the whatever left inside the very sexy drive, and it's fine. We're gonna refill it. Okay. All right. We managed to take these off. Look at those clamps, man. Okay, so these are off. Now we're gonna take those 90s from that. You will need 2 wrenches. One goes against the other one goes. You're gonna bend the pipe if you try to force it. I'm tired. I was fighting this to come out. It got me. So you need 2 clamps, 2 wrenches. You put them close in one grip, and you just squeeze. When you squeeze, one goes against the other one, and it will get it loose. This is the easiest way, and I really think it's the only way. If you try to hold that and try to turn it, the whole pipe will turn with you. Yes, this is burnt. We don't care about the pipe, but let's do it. Let's do it the right way. Here we go. Let me show you. See that? One holds the nut in the back, one holds the 90, and then you grab them. I promise I never loosen it. It's, look, with one hand it's loose already. And you drop both wrenches. I got a clamp, but anyway, this is loose. Look, you might say, oh, that was loose. It wasn't. This is a really powerful force. The way that I just show you, it's really powerful. Two goes against each other, and this is out. Let's take the other one. Let me get a magnet and get that. I have a strong magnet. Go. Both are out. Now when you finish disassembling the front wires and all of that, you just pull. This is a small little seal. It's not like a glue. It will come off with the rubber. The new VFD or VSD, it has rubbers with it. It's a brand new. So you take that off with that rubber. Even if that rubber broke, don't worry about it. You have to replace them anyway, because you don't want no water to go inside when it rains. So we replace those rubbers anyway. So you pull that whole thing. This nut will force it to come out with it. This and that, and then you install the new one. Yes, sir. Okay, so we remove those. Now it's dead. No more power. We remove those wires. We secure them up there. Remove the bottom wires like these, and we secure them right here. Now we are going to disconnect that. The new VSD comes, the new power bank simply comes with the new boards and all of that. But you know, be mindful. Don't break shit. I like to cuss, man. Why you cuss? Alright. Let me zip tie that somewhere in here, secure it so we can, yeah, I'll zip tie somewhere up there. So when we pull that, it won't be on the way. Those power lines, 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. This right there. Let me zip tie this, secure it, and take those little screws. And that isolation board, just the top one. You don't need the bottom one. It's not for it. So the top one. So now the whole thing is but the ground wire. We need to take that ground wire, and you would take 1, 2, 3, right in the back, 4. Not the bolts, these, Allen. Alright, so we gotta, now this is loose, we're gonna take it off. I thought about something, why my lens keeps getting greasy. Since this still has glycol in it, I thought about something. Let's try that. Let me put this in. 1 second. Alright, I put my blower, oh it came off, into it. Let's see. Alright. Yeah, no more coming out. Oh, there is more. Waiting for the guy to come back. So at the meantime, I say, let me do this so we don't make a mess inside. I mean, am I being too much? Am I? Yeah, maybe I'm being too much. There we go. We took that power assembly. Look at this. It exploded everywhere. Look at this things. Yeah. You see, not a 1 drop of glycol. Stays clean because I blow that out. What happens here? Look at that capacitor. The back side, it exploded. The one in the back. It exploded. Yeah. So we're gonna put a new one. I'm gonna write down all the info for warranty. And then we will bring the new guy. Let's clean this up, make it nice, and we bring the new one and stick it in. Okay, clean the area. One thing I like to do in this case when this happens, those doesn't look fat, but I like to replace them. It's pads, they absorb moisture. I like to replace those April 22nd. I think we have some. I'm gonna grab 2 and put them on, replace those. We are here anyway, so let's just replace those and put the new guy in. Alright, so here's the old one, here's the new one. Yeah, so I'm gonna take these off. We prepare it outside. You can't prepare it inside because this is facing you, so it's fine to leave them and then work on it inside. Yeah, so we got those pads. I'm gonna replace all of them since we are here. There was 2 bad one, I mean old. Of course, with the glove you will never. Am I gonna be able to do it? How much you guys bet? How much? I'm gonna break them. Yeah, alright, let me work with the other hand. So this is, you don't need, I'll show you what you don't need. You don't need this. I'm gonna bring grease and grease that. This stuff. And now we put it in with that grease. It will be so easy to go inside and bite that lip into that plate. That plate that I throw, you don't need, because this one is brand new. It's not brand new, I mean, it looks new, it's not rusty. So it's good from both sides. Yeah, so you're gonna slip those rubber gaskets easy with that grease. Alright, now it's inside. Watch this. You wanna watch this? Here, this is the gasket. Go on one side. Look how easy is this. It's in. Same thing with the other side. Same thing with the other side, and that's it. Other side is in. Now you need to push until you match those holes. Double check the gaskets. Good. Now I'm gonna put those manually. Before it was 4, the new power simply has a fan, so you're not gonna be able to put one in the corner. There's nothing goes in that corner because there's a fan in this one. This one doesn't. This one doesn't have a fan, so you have a bracket in that corner, and one here and one in the back, so 3. There we go. So you have the ground. You attach the ground. You attach those power lines. Here, attach that isolation board plug in the back, right there. You attach those wires back here and those back here, and of course these. Those guys, I zip tied them here. Let me cut that zip tie and put the black one, and you attach them. By the way, they are marked P1, P2, P3. And you could see here J1, J2, J3. Easy, okay? Okay, so we have those wires. Those wires, you don't tighten them with your drill. You don't go dugga dugga with these. Why? This thing is a fiberglass. It will break. There's a torque. I'll show you how much is that torque for these and that. This is the output. This is what goes to the compressor, and this is the input. This is what comes from the main power. Coming in, and goes outside. Goes to the compressor. So this is in, out. Let's see how much is in. In, I just marked it here, is 18 to 20 foot-pound for the in, and the out is 76 to 86 inch-pound, not foot, inch. Inch-pound is not that much. So between 76 to 85, so you go 80, for example, that's fine, 80 inch-pound, and input is 18 to 20 foot-pound. 18 to 20 foot-pound, 20 foot-pound, 80 inch-pound, okay? Alright, time to put those back. Is this, I like to use the nylon, the sealant. This is good stuff. Don't put at the flare. Do not put at the flare section. Put just at the threads. Done. Time to put this back, that back. I like the channel locks for those kind of. There is a special plier for this. I don't have it. I use channel locks. Let me use my both hands. Done. Clamps in place. You just hold this, squeeze it, and push up, and this will release. That's done. Same thing. Squeeze, push up, and it will release. This is open. Now we're gonna fill it up and see if it leaks, and we're gonna start the pump to fill up the system. And to fill up that, it's up there. See those two radiator cap looking thing? Time to take those lock out, suit up, put an arc flash, and then start it, turn it on, and then run the pump so we can refill the glycol. Let me do that and get back. And this thing is so hot. Yeah, let's go up and fill up. This is how you fill it. You just open. Go down and run the pump. You shut it down, put it in service mode, you go to service and look for VSD cooling fan pump, and you push the check mark, it will start it. Now it should be running. Moment of truth. System 2 is on, system 1 is on, and let's wait. I asked them to turn on the unit. Status, remote control shut down. Let's wait until they run it and see how this goes. Yeah, it is open, it's about to come on. And that's closing, this is about to come on. Yep. Let's leave it for a minute and come back and see. Okay, let's take that off. Number 1, which is system 1, is VSD bad, the very sexy drive, right? Is it a VSD very sexy? What is it? If you know, leave it in the comment section and help me out what that means. VSD, sometimes VFD, very fat drive, I think. Okay, come back to it. We left it running for a little bit now. Let's see. It's been running for 45 minutes, 30 something. Yeah, it's been running for 45 minutes, no issues. I think that's it. This is how you change the VSD. Job is done. I'll let them know the unit is ready, and they can put it back to auto. You put back the unit to auto.